is full. And to get the data out, there's a few options. You can do a report. So you can go click on here and do a site report. We'll look at the report templates, in which case you can output them where you can have an electron image with the spectrum and the quantification. So let's just process that now. You can do a image like the SEM image with the maps. So when you're doing SEM, the EDS mapping, you can stop the point and IDs straight away. You don't have to wait for it to finish. So yeah, let's go to reports, report template. And you can see it gives you a little preview about what. So if this is an electron image with the color spectra and the quant, so here you can see on the image it has the points where we've collected the data from. It provides you the spectrum for each point, and it gives you the compositions. So you could output that. If we went with, say, one of the map areas that we did, we could right-click on any of these maps and just export the maps we were interested in or the images we were interested in. Or we can, again, do the report templates and like electron image with maps and just export the maps and the image in the one go. You can also do there's so many options. You can do a layered image. You can do mini quants in the inside the spectrum. You can do the image with the spectrum as well for the map. So yeah, lots of different options. That's how you get your data out. So you export any of those and then you can just transfer it like you normally do. Excellent. All right. Well, we'll leave it at that then. If there's nothing more, well, actually, I'll just go through the finishing process of the safety in terms of taking out the detector. I'll just quickly do that. So if we go back to the SEM computer and select the TV, we make sure that there's nothing in the way. We go back to the EDS computer, pull out the detector, so we click on the little icon on the bottom right, position out. We can close this program and we will transfer our data using the RDS. Go back to the SEM computer and we make sure everything's fine. Turn the beam off. So all shutdown gun. Lower the stage. Once the gun is completely off, we can click vacuum and vent.